Python presents virtual and remote learning rules. Are you ready to learn some rules today? Well, let's get started, boys and girls. For remote virtual learning, you can use any of these devices: computer, cellular phone, tablet. Have an adult to help log you in and out of your devices. First, we have to create a quiet and clean space to sit and learn while the teacher is teaching. That's called a workstation. Have all your school materials and be ready and prepared to learn. We are to be dressed appropriately and on time to all meetings. Try to keep little to no clutter, noise, or distractions near you. Parents should be watching at all times, adult supervision or parent supervision. Wait for an adult to mute and unmute you, unless they teach you how to do it by yourself. Quiet voices and listening ears. Eyes are watching when teachers are talking. Sit quietly, wait your turn to talk, and raise your hands to speak. Please sit still until break time. Try to wait until break time to eat a snack and use the restrooms. Be back at the appointed time from breaks and independent work time. Be respectful, be nice, stay positive, and have fun during remote learning. Like, thumbs up, share, subscribe.